Okay, Assalamu alaikum student bete. Wafa, try to log in with your own name. Wafa, you log in with your mother number. Change the nick, please. Omar, Assalamu alaikum. Omar got up very early today, isn't it? जी उमर, open the video बेटे. आज तो बहुत जल्दी सुबह सुबह उठ गए. Okay. So I'm starting the today's class with the name of Allah, who's most beneficent, most merciful. So kindly girls cover the hat and boys you should fold the arm. Zainab, do recitation bete. Till more students will join the class. Acha ji, no one is in the class up till now. They will come, gradually they will come. Ji Zainab, please do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر وسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqullahu Azim. Better kindly open the camera. Everyone sit properly and straight. Papa, you're not visible. Or Zappa, you are not visible. आज सिर्फ क्लास 5 रेड आई, 5 ग्रीन तो आई नहीं है. Hall took the day off together. Ijtimaitullah. Whole class is absent. चले जी, year 5 red, give attendance to me. पूरी 5 ग्रीन ही absent हो गई है आज. चलें. Okay. Shamir present. Huzafa present. Umar Mahmood present. Wafa and Zainab present. क्या करें? बेटे Kirat. Okay, one student came from 5 green. Kirat. Okay, that's like a good girl. Samir also came. Better try to join the class on time. Join the class on time, dear all of you. Air 5 green, most of the students are not coming in the class. Daily 5 red, complete student, all the students are taking the class, but air 5 green, few students are not taking the class. Hassan Raza and Rayan, Shazir, Umme Farwa. They are the students who are not taking the class, online classes, virtual classes. I really request them, please take online classes. Kirat, sit properly, you are taking the class right now. Be attentive. Stop doing the chit chat with the sibling, please. Bete, sit straight. It has the marking. You will be getting number for it. So sit attentively during the class time. Okay, we are having only 9 participants today. Or I will explain today. I'll explain the poem to you. Yesterday I could not able to explain it to you because of electricity problem. My electricity broke down yesterday, and suddenly I was disconnected. I hope you observed it. That did you observe it? I suddenly logged out. So we already watched the video how to recite. Are you practicing at home the recitation? Kar rahe hain aap? Okay, I'm explaining the poem to you. I want everyone listen carefully. You know, in this poem, the writer explained about The merry sound. What is the merry sound? The merry sound, the joy of innocence. You know, the green is giving example, is a metaphor for innocence. You know, children are playing in the lap of the nature and without worries, they are enjoying their days. So they haven't experienced the harshness of life. At the time when we are young now, we are children. So at the time we do not have any worries, any tension. We are carefree. We are in the protection of our mother and we are enjoying the nature. As we grew older, the culture, the civilization will take place of nature and exercising a formative influence on them. Getting it? So how we have to move, how we indulge in the life, or how we start the work of the life. The innocence or all that time it moved. Okay, Muhtashim, also more students are joining the class. Let me wait for them to join. Bete, kindly join the class on time, dear, because I have to stop my explanation for you all. Okay, Ali Ahmed is also coming. So wait for 1-2 minutes. Let 3-4 students join the class. Okay, let me mark the attendance as well. Ali Ahmed. Beta Ali Ahmed, come on time. Please do not join the class too late. Batul Kirat, sorry. Ali Ahmed, open camera. Kirat, Muhtashim Bete, open camera. Okay, I have mark attendance now. Samir, Kirat and Muhtashim are present from 5 green and all are absent. Okay, only 3 are from 5 green. Yawning right now, sleepy? Okay, Aman absent, Ariba absent, Aurelia absent, Fahad absent, Fatma Mateen Ahmad absent. Of 5 red. Very few students joined the class today. Okay, I was explaining the poem Ahmad came now. Bete, in this manner, how could I start my class? If you one by one log in after 5 minutes, after 5 minutes. Ji Ahmad, why are you late? Ali Ahmed and Ahmad, why are you late? Shall I mark absent? Because you are late. Tell me reason why did you join the class late? बताएं बेटे. Hamad, I'm asking something, beta. Why are you late, dear?
Miss, मैं अभी उठा था.
So, beta, you know the class timing now. Why you are getting up late? आपको पता है 9:35 is the class timing, and you're getting up after 9:35. It's very bad, na beta. Be punctual and be on time.
Yes.
I am cutting your -1 marks because you are late. Virtual class having marks. Who are coming late, I'm cutting their marks. In the rules and regulation, I already mentioned the timings. Your class time is mentioned in timetable as well. It's 9:35 sharp. Who are coming late, I'm doing -5. Fahad -5, Ali Ahmed -5, Hamad -1. Get the word. I'm deducting your marks -1 because you are late. Why don't you use Zoom option, bete?
मिस वो मेरे वो कंप्यूटर पर पासवर्ड नहीं लग रहा था आपका.
So bete, class time से at 9 AM you have to start ना. Tamam process you should start at 9 AM so that you can join the class on time at 9:35.
मिस मेरी मम्मा साथ दी वो पासवर्ड करनी है, हो ही नहीं रहा था. इनकरेक्ट आ रहा था.
अब हो गया ना बेटे? कैसे हुआ अभी?
मुझे पता नहीं.
अच्छा, आपको पता नहीं. You logged in and you don't know about it. Very good.
मिस मेरी मम्मा ने चेक करा करके।
अच्छा, मैजिक ना, छू मंतर हो गया आबरा का डाबरा का। ओके
मिस यार 5 6 नहीं हो रहा था
ओके,
पासवर्ड।
कोई बात नहीं बेटे, आई नो थिंग्स हैपन बेटे, अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग कैन हैपन विद एनीवन। वो मेरे साथ भी हो सकता है, वो आपके साथ भी। सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग इट, आप 9 बजे से ना लॉगिन करना स्टार्ट कर लिया करें, ठीक है? अपना पीसी स्टार्ट करना, अपनी प्रॉपर बुक एंड कॉपीज को साथ रखना। यू शुड ओपन थिंग्स बट डोंट इंटरप्ट क्लास 6 बिकॉज 9 AM में मैं क्लास 6 की ब्लॉक लेती हूँ, ठीक है ना? सो डोंट लॉग इन Zoom बट ओपन योर पीसी, ठीक है? एंड स्टॉप yawning, बी अटेंटिव। अली अहमद अभी भी सो रहे हैं। Shall I start my lecture, today's lecture? Everyone be attentive. Okay, yesterday I have shown the video of the echoing green, how to recite the poem. The boy was singing the song of the poem. So I hope that sound was clear to all of you. How to recite. Was it clear to you? Did you understand how to recite? Or shall I show again to you? Shall I show again? दोबारा दिखाऊं? Okay. Wait, let me open it. The sun does arise and make happy the... Okay, everyone listen it. Listen the correct sound of each word. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark and thrush, the birds of the bush, sing louder around to the bell's cheerful sound, while our stories seen on the echoing green. Old John, with white hair, does laugh awake here, sitting under the oak among the old folk. They laugh at our play, and soon they all say, such were the joys when we all girls and boys in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. Till the little ones weary, no more can be merry. The sun does descend, and our sports have an end. Round the laps of their mothers, many sisters and brothers, like birds in their nest, are ready for rest, and sport no more see on the darkening green. Did you hear the correct sound of each word? You know, you all should recite in different manner. It's up to you how to sing. Clear? And I'm explaining the poem again to you. Let me share the yesterday work which we did yesterday. Yesterday we did the introduction of the poem and the central idea. I hope you all have done in the copy. This was yesterday classwork. If you wish to take a picture, you can take right now. The introduction of the poem. Take a picture to complete it. And this is the central idea. Have you taken? Have you all taken picture? I'll be sharing a WhatsApp group as well. Now let me explain you what writer explained in the poem. You know, in the first stanza, the writer explained about the joyful moment of the children, how they are playing without worries. In the second stanza, the old John watching them playing in the garden and he was remembering his old days. In the third stanza, they all are going back to their home and taking rest. In the first stanza, the children are playing and enjoying the moment, the childhood. अपना बचपना enjoy कर रहे हैं. They are lively. They are full of joy. Am I clear? In the second stanza, the old John is watching them and remembering his old days, his own childhood, जब वो बच्चा था. Am I clear? In third stanza, the writer used the comparison over here with the birds As the birds are going back to their nest, the children are going back to their houses and taking rest. Am I clear? Did you understand the poem? So kindly do practice at home and recite the poem in different manner and submit the video. It should be in school uniform, bete. ठीक है? Let me listen who can recite the poem beautifully. Let me share one video of the boy who is reciting the poem. Going green. Listen this song. Yesterday we heard as well. Today as well we are listening it.
The birds cheerful song, while as birds shall be seen on the echoing green. While as birds shall be seen on the echoing green. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark can rush, the birds of the bush sing louder around to the birds' cheerful song. While as birds shall be seen on the echoing green. While as birds shall be seen on the echoing green.
Did you hear it? How the boy is singing the song? In the same manner, you all have to recite. Let me share the today's classwork, the annotation of the difficult word, the today's classwork, which you all have to do in the copy. The meaning of every single word, what writer used in the poem, the difficult word. Okay. Annotation mean explanation, तशरीह बोलते हैं. ठीक है? Abbreviation of parts of speech I mentioned over here on top. And for noun, V for verb, ADJ for adjective, and ADV for adverb. In the first stanza, the writer used the word merry. It means cheerful and lively. Skylark. It's African, not African lark of farmland. Thrush. It's a noun, a small or medium-sized songbird. Sports. It's a plural form of word sport, which we play or having fun. Echoing. It's a present participle of the word echo. It means गूंज. जो reflect back होता है ना किसी भी sound का. Green. Green is a noun for green grassy land, mean green field. In the second stanza, the writer used the word care, a feeling or occasion for anxiety. It's a noun. Oak. It's a tree name. जौ के दरख्त को बोलते हैं. Folk. Are noun, people in general. The folk are the people of the old John's time. Or among old folk ना, कि वो अपने लोगों के साथ बैठ के उनको देख रहा है और हंस रहा है, मुस्कुरा रहा है और याद कर रहा है दिन. Weary, feeling or showing extreme tiredness, exhausted. Descent. It means sunset, a move or fall downwards. The writer used in the poem to express the sunset in the evening. Lapse. Lapse कहते हैं माँ के पहलू को. ठीक है ना, गोद को बोलते हैं. Lapse. Darkening. It's a present participle form of the word darken. So you have to do all this vocabulary in your language copy, the annotation. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group as well. You can complete right now as well. This is today's classwork. But avoid this nonsense who are doing. Okay, now you can't do all such thing. I disable the annotation. G. Hamad, ask the question please.
मिस हमारा रीडिंग कंपटीशन कब है?
Bete, the recitation competition next week you are having. For that we are practicing and
On
understanding
Monday?
the poem.
On Monday.
Next week, bete, not on Monday, next week. Next
Okay.
week you have to submit the copy for checking as well, all subject. Monday on 7th December, you should submit the copy for checking. Yes, Samir, ask the question.
टीचर आप कह रही थी कि जब कंपटीशन होगा तो यूनिफॉर्म पहन के बैठेंगे.
Definitely, bete. You will recite now. You will recite this poem. We will decide who is reciting the best one. We will upload their complete video in Facebook or somewhere else and give them certificates. Who will recite the best one? You know, all the classes are having this competition. They will recite different poems. I have selected this poem for you. It's very beautiful poem. Okay, do the classwork in language copy right now. Quickly, bete. Everyone kindly complete this classwork in language copy. G. Kirat. Bete, open the video of yours. Kirat, bete. पूछें.
टीचर मैं पूछती टीचर ये वर्क हमें कॉपी में करना है.
Definitely, bete. It's a classwork now. I mentioned CW. Didn't you read it? What does it mean, CW?
क्लास वर्क.
So do it now.
Okay.
Ji Zainab, bete.
मिस आपने जो अभी इंट्रोडक्शन सेंट्रल आइडिया दिखाया है वो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भी सेंड करेंगे ना?
Definitely, bete. I'll be sharing. Yesterday I have shared as well. Today as well. Yesterday I have shared the videos to watch carefully. Did you see that? Bete, Uzafa, be attentive, bete. Do the classwork now. Where is the pen and pencil or the copy? Why don't you complete the work right now nearby me? What are you doing right now, Kirat? Umar Mahmood, Shamir, Mohtashim, bete, where is the copy? Adyan, show me the copy, language copy in the hand. Papa, where are you right now? Mohtashim, bete, where are you? Omar, where are you? Aima, where is the copy? Are you doing it right now? Very good, Uzaifa. Start doing the work, everyone. Come on, come. Complete it now. Wafa, where are you, bete? You are not answering as well. You switch off video and went somewhere. Definitely, bete. I'll be sharing WhatsApp group as well, Adyan. This was the yesterday work. Everyone take the picture. We did yesterday in the class. Have you taken it?
टीचर काम.
This is yesterday's work. Ji, I'm a bete.
टीचर
This is
मुझे विलियम
yesterday's
ब्लेक
class
वाला
work.
काम बता दे कहाँ करना है.
Bete, in the language copy, na, we are doing in the language copy. This was the work of the
टीचर
first
विलियम ब्लेक
class.
के बाद हमें एक
Okay.
पेज छोड़ के ये वाला काम करना है.
Yes, my dear. The first class we did the small biography introduction of the poet. This is the work of 13 November. We did first work. After that, I assign you in the class do write introduction and central idea. Then
टीचर वन पेज लीव करके ये करना है काम.
definitely, bete, the work of 13 November, it is this. Then we have done this and the central idea. And today we are doing this. I have shared the video as well with you all. Do vocabulary annotation. I'll be sharing all the work in WhatsApp group as well. After metaphor and simile exercises, you have to do this whole work. I hope all the vocabulary are clear to you because the class time is about to end. You have only 2 minutes.
टीचर किसी चीज का टाइटल पेज तो नहीं बनाना ना.
No, no title page. Okay, you let me know, did you understand the poem? Please use Zoom option thumbs up. Did you understand the poem? Okay, wait, let me capture the picture because so many students are absent today. Wait, Betty, let me come. You know, class is having marks. If you are taking the day off, I'll be cutting your -1 marks for it. And who just opened video and went somewhere, I'll be cutting their marks as well. Umar Mahmood, who went somewhere without taking permission. Very few students joined the class today. All 5 green students are absent except Kirat Samir. Did you understand the poem, everyone? Okay, take good care of yourself and do practice the recitation of the poem. If you wish to do some other poem, so you are most welcome to do. Okay, I have given this poem to you. But if you wish to write the poem by yourself and wish to recite that poem, so you are allowed to do. Okay, bete? If you are good in writing poem and you wish to share that poem, so you are most welcome for it. The tone you will select by yourself. So bring that poem to me and share in the class, in the tomorrow class, if you wish to do some other poem. Okay, dear? Tomorrow we will start the new work because we had finished this poem work. Am I clear to all of you? Okay, I'm ending the class. I'll be sharing the classwork in WhatsApp group and in portal as well, in university as well. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take the second class. Allah Hafiz. Show thumbs up sign. Did you understand the topic? Let me capture the picture of yours. Matashim, Zafa, Kirat, all of you. Show thumbs up sign, please. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Show smiley faces, na? Okay. Thank you.